came again to Fort Macon today because they're going to fire the cannons behind me for the last time this summer, and they're going to fire all three, so this ought to be a thrill.
When I say battery fire, battery is a grouping of cannons together under a single command. In this case, the guns on this front of Fort Macon constituted a battery. When they would fire in battle, we can visualize an enemy warship trying to come in the inlet here. Fort Macon's job is to guard the inlet and prevent enemy warships from coming in during an attack. So if an enemy ship was to sail into the harbor here, sail through the inlet, these guns would open fire on them back in those days and blow them out of the water. So when we begin the battery fire, just picture an enemy ship trying to get into the inlet and these guns firing. When they fire, just imagine 96 pounds of iron flying towards you at 1,600 feet per second. That's what these things fire. So a ship out there would probably be blown out of the water very quickly. So we will begin the loading process. Watch the artillery crews as they load the cannons with the gunpowder charges. No cannonballs again, no cannonballs. Roll the cannons back forward in the battery, set the primer, aim. Then we will begin firing one after another. Here we go.
Whoa!
Kept it before it rolled there nice and tight, didn't it?
Yeah.
got it.
Woohoo!
Got it. Oh yeah. Flash.